Anyway, hello everybody, I'm Dustin. Welcome back to Foothills Adventures. We have an exciting new series starting, and it's called the Foothills Adventures Really Tough Shots.
You know that spells fault, right?
Spells farts.
Oh yeah, it does. What's his problem?
Hey everybody, as we said before, today we're doing the Foothills Adventures Really Tough Shots.
It's called farts.
It's not called farts, it's really
It
tough.
is.
Anyway, so first up, we're going to be doing the backward shot. And we're going to try a couple different rifles. So we're going to do it with iron sights, with the Henry lever action, the Golden Boy, the pretty one, and the Tippmann Arms M422,
Which we use a lot.
and the hand mirror. Let me bring them over there and show them what we're shooting, Cooper. Oh yeah. How are we going to shoot backwards with a pistol? We'll figure it out. We're going to shoot a pistol too. Anyway, we got a couple trick shots coming. So the backward shot's going to be on the gopher there. And then we're going to light the candles and one at a time and try to just shoot out the flame. Up here, we're going to mount a card and we're going to split the card. And then down here, the ever faithful, let's split a bullet. We're going to put two balloons back there on the back end.
It's gonna go ping, ping.
Yep. And we're going to try to split a bullet way over yonder. Y'all can't see it. But we're going to use the voodoo. And we're going to try to knock off, well, hold on, way over yonder. We're going to try to knock off, those are gum balls sitting on golf tees. And then once those are done, we're going to put sixlets up there. Anyway, thank you guys. Stay tuned. If you like this kind of stuff and some trick shots, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get to it. All right, Pop, you're up first.
We're gonna shoot up some old ammo we had put back. It's it might fire and it might not, but if it don't, we'll put another one in there. This is hard to get lined up because I really we ain't never tried these trick shots before.
But hey, if they can do it, we can do it, right?
Yep. Let's see if we can line it up. If they can do it, we can do it, surely. We hit it?
No.
No. Okay. We hit it.
No.
Shot over it. I can see it.
Just barely, though.
All right.
Third time's a charm.
Third time the charm. Caden said 3, didn't you, Caden?
Yeah.
I did. Cooper said 3.
Oh,
Cooper said 3.
Cooper said 3.
Got him.
Got him. Go Henry.
I knew it.
All right, son.
Oh, crap.
First time.
First shot.
You said.
But I took a lot longer.
Hold on. Where did you hit it?
All right, you go check it out. So, first shot. I think that rivals, 22 Plinkster, doesn't it? I think Mr. 22 Plinkster. Maybe we'll have a couple.
Yeah, you got pretty close to bullseye.
Close to bullseye. Might as well just call it a bullseye. Ready?
I'm ready as I'm gonna get.
All right, so slow-mo's recording. Pop's gonna try the Tippmann Arms M422, the red line edition here. So with a red dot sight on it, I wonder how it might be a little different. I don't know. Let's see. You got it.
All right, let's try it.
At least if you miss, you can like rapid fire misses.
There you go. Let's see if we can even get the red dot in there.
It's hard. Got him.
Let me try again.
First shot. Got him.
All right, son.
All right. Where's my dog? Oh, that is difficult. camera trigger is.
It's all safe.
At least the safety works.
Got it.
Nailed it. Nailed it. Nailed it. Nailed it. Nailed it. Miss.
Oh, sorry.
Nailed it.
Well, I think it's easier with a red dot than it is iron sights. But that's fun. Jack, you want to try this one?
Can you do me a favor and put it on semi?
Why, you got it lined up? You don't want to move?
Yeah.
All right. You're on semi. He didn't want to move his hands.
Not swinging the trigger.
He wasn't squeezing the trigger. You got it. Come on, just breathe. You look. There you go. You got it. First shot. Go to safe. Tell him, Jack. See, he only needs one bullet. That's how good he is. There you go, folks. Backward shooting with a lever action iron sights and the Tippmann M422 Redline edition. You can hit a gopher at what, 20 yards, 25 yards, and yeah. On to the next one. Warning, what you're about to see is kind of dangerous. Don't try this at home. We're professionals. Kinda. Will you come make sure I ain't gonna shoot myself in the neck or nothing? Alright. I think it's about where we were standing, wasn't it?
Close enough.
Okay. I'm putting safety on. I couldn't tell.
Do it again, I'll say.
Gotta find my dot again. There we go.
Hit it. Nailed it.
Again.
Nailed it. I'll take it.
I believe he's dead. Yeah, I'd say
Good
that
job,
gopher's
son.
dead.
So, mirror, brown and buck mark with a vortex venom on it. You can still shoot backwards and hit a gopher at 25 yards. All right, so we're getting set up down here. I don't know how well this is going to work, but we're going to try. We're going to try splitting a bullet. I don't know if how far, I don't know. We're going to shoot that axe, and we're going to see if we can shoot the axe here and get it to split a video. It's not too much of a wedge there, but it might be just enough to go tink and hit them things. What are we shooting with, Pop?
We'll start off with the butt mark.
Oh God, we're starting off with the pistol? Oh, this is gonna be fun. All right. Here we go.
Got it. The first shot.
I ain't even kidding. That was literally the first shot.
Splitting a bullet.
Holly. Are you kidding me?
Good shot, son.
That is crazy.
Okay, I kind of want to check the footage on that.
I don't know if I got it. Yep, look. Well, I see marked here. I see a mark here.
That's so cool.
I don't see too much here. You got it.
Yeah, it's still cool though.
First shot, buddy.
First
I'm
shot.
gonna watch the videos.
So, I guess it's still recording. So, is it possible to split a bullet? We'll have to go back to the high speed to see it. But, is it possible to hit an axe and pop 2 balloons with the brown and buck mark? It is. I just did it.
We think.
We think. We're counting it because both balloons popped. Yep. All right, that's it for trick shots for today. So let me wrap this up and we'll tell you what we did. We shot a Henry Golden Boy backwards with a mirror. We shot the Tippmann Arms M422 red line backwards with a mirror. You hit that little gopher down there. We shot the Brown and Butt Mark with a red dot backwards with a mirror. That was some hard shooting. What else did we do? We split a bullet.
Pop 2 balloons with it.
Pop 2 balloons with 1 bullet, splitting on the axe. We're saying that that's good and it counts. So we appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in to the Foothills Adventures. Really tough shots.
AKA farts.
It's not farts.
It is.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you. We'll see you next time.
Bye.